Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. This is a collab that I honestly never thought was ever gonna happen. I'm so excited for it. So today I'm gonna be playing around with new Hipdot and My Chemical Romance collection. Can we just take a moment? Never thought that this would ever happen. I feel like it was like way past, like, I mean, obviously MCR fans are like insane and we will literally buy anything, but like I just didn't think it would ever happen, you know? I just want to say, I'm gonna start off by saying I did buy this with my own money. I did buy it on the launch day. This was not sent to me. I was not one of the influencers or anything that received it. I am aware that the launch was an absolute shit show. Like, I was very hesitant to even film this video because I just didn't want to come off as like, look what I got, and I know like so many people weren't able to get it. I did buy this myself, so I was really excited for it. I still wanted to film a video, and a lot of you guys asked me to film it anyway, so I just want to say like I'm so sorry that like so many people weren't able to get it. Like, it honestly, I felt so bad. Like, literally the minute I checked out, like I saw that it was sold out, and I just like saw the comments like flooding in on their Instagram, and I don't feel like they handled the launch well at all. It was really bad. Like, they still haven't even really addressed anything, and it's been like already what, like 3 or 4 days now, 3 days that has happened. It's a mess. And even when I first saw that they were coming out with the collab, I was like, I really hope that this brand is able to, one, handle the MCR fan base. I mean, I'm just thinking back to last year with the reunion tour tickets, like that was insane. Like, I just was like, the whole time I was like, I really hope that they're prepared. I hope that there's enough, but honestly, I really saw this coming. I am grateful and I'm so happy that I was able to get it, but I just felt so bad like seeing everybody else. I know somebody that I follow on Instagram, she's like a die-hard like MCR fan, and I don't even think she was able to get it. I think she was able to get like the pre-order, but like the whole pre-order situation like happened, and it was like right when everything sold out, they like put the collector's box like as a pre-order, and then that sold out in like 3 seconds, but they like never even announced it, and like the box doesn't even ship till like March. I don't know, it's a whole mess, and I just, terrible launch, terrible launch. It is word that it is going to be restocked and it is going to launch at Ulta and at Hot Topic. I am not exactly sure when that is. I'm hearing a date around, but nothing has been confirmed yet, so I don't want to put it in the video. When I do find out like when those are launching in those stores, I will leave it in the description box down below, and I will let you guys know on my Instagram stories. Anyways, I have my revenge shirt on right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's crazy because a year ago, almost a year ago, like I think next week will be a year ago, I went to the reunion tour. Literally the last concert I ever went to, and probably the last concert I'll be at in forever. I don't know when concerts will be back ever again. Or 21st, I think. And that was like literally the best day of my life. I still like am in shock that I even went to that. So I'm so excited about this collection. I was able to get the collector's box. Collector's box did come with the palette, the dual-ended brush, the dual-ended eyeliner, and a little pin. To be completely honest, I was gonna swatch this palette for you guys, but I really don't want to mess up the like imprinted, like the little imprints in the palette. I did the swatches for the Beetlejuice collection with Melt. It like absolutely broke my heart that like I swatched over like the imprinted stuff, and I really don't want to ruin this palette. So I will insert swatches right here from my friends Dupe That. They had done swatches and stuff, and they did really good swatches, so I'll leave that here for you guys. But yeah, I really don't want to ruin it. I'm trying to keep this in like the most pristine condition ever. Sierra is one of my favorite bands ever, and I'm so excited about this collection. You guys know I love red eyeshadow, and the reason I love red eyeshadow is because of Gerard Way. I feel like this palette was like the perfect palette. It wasn't, I saw some people saying like I wish there was like other colors in there, but I'm like, no, I feel like this is like perfect. Like, I couldn't ask for a better palette. Color wise, like exactly like what I would think of when I thought of an MCR palette. Revenge is my favorite era. I love it so much. It's my favorite album. I was just super excited that they did it with this. It just felt like everything was so perfect. So enough of me rambling. This is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the palette. I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm gonna try to be as gentle as possible because I really don't want to mess up like the little like stamped imprints in the shadow. So let me see the brush that the little dual-ended brush. I'll probably use this to like smoke things out because it is a little bit more of a smaller brush. I love that there's caps to this though, or like something I probably would use like on a lash line or something. I'm gonna start off with Pitchfork Red, and it's literally like the most perfect red ever. You know I love red eyeshadow, so I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna start packing this on the outer. Oh my god, that's a really pigmented red, thank god. And I'm packing this on the outer corner, kind of doing a little V shape. Drag that into the crease once I've focused it on the outer corner. I'm just gonna keep building that color up. I love this red. It's like the exact color of like my little extensions right here. Focus most of the intensity on this like outer part over here. And I'm gonna take the little brush that it comes with. I'm gonna take this little buffer side over here just to kind of buff the edges out. I go into Starless Eyes, which is this shade right here. It's like the perfect burgundy red color. I'm gonna put this on the outer part of the eye. Ooh, this is like my favorite color of red, like this dark burgundy type of red. Really want to like intensify this outer corner, just deepen it up a little bit. I'm going back with the brush that I was using before just to kind of like blend out the edges a little bit. I am taking that color a little bit into the crease as well. Yeah, I'm going to do like a little bit of a cut crease, so I do want that like depth in the crease. So I'm going to go in with Paint Protector, which is the deeper purple color. And I think I'm just going to do like the same thing, but I think I'm just going to focus this on this outer corner. I probably won't take this into the crease. That's a really nice purple. Purples are super hard. I like always have issues, especially with really dark purples. So this one's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go into Serpent Sun, which is the black, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and probably, yeah, just run this along the lash line just to make it nice and smoky. I'll just take a little bit of that into this outer corner as well. By the way, this like little buffing brush, the little like round dome one is so good to like buff out shadow. It's literally buffs it out so nicely. Using it to kind of like just buff out the red, and it's fantastic. Some concealer, and I'm gonna do like a little half cut crease just because I'm gonna use the gray and I really want it to like pop. A brush that I use all the time. This is a Makeup Shack like flat brush, and this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. And I'm just gonna do a half cut crease. Shotgun Sinners, it's the matte gray. I'm gonna take that first and I'm gonna go over it with the shimmer, but I really want to see how this looks on its own. Ooh, that's a really nice gray. Back with the purple and just kind of blend the edge of that out. I'm gonna go back with Starless Eyes. That was the like burgundy shade, and I'm just gonna kind of re-intensify the crease a little bit. I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna wet it, and I'm gonna take Explosive Light, which is the shimmer. I think this is, yeah, it's the only shimmer in here. I'm gonna put that right on top of the gray. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Okay, but this in like a black smoky eye and like right on the center is gonna look so good. I can't wait to do it look like that. Again, I'm gonna go back with Starless Eyes to just re-intensify the crease. Go ahead and finish up this eye really quick. I'll do my base and then we'll do the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the eyeliner, dual-ended eyeliner. One is like a regular felt tip and the other one's like more of a like paddle type of eyeliner. It's really thick. I'm gonna use the regular like felt tip side. I wish the other side was like a like regular like pencil liner, but I have one that I'm gonna use. But I'm just gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do a wing, but I'm just gonna line my lash line with this. Knowing me, I'll do a wing and then end up messing up the entire eye. So, but this eyeliner is nice. It's nice and black. It's a pretty easy like felt tip liner to use, like not too flimsy or anything. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm gonna take the House Labs Kohl eyeliner. This eyeliner is so good. I love this one. Not the, well, I like the regular like gel pencil eyeliner, but like the kohl one is so good. So I'm just gonna put this, see how like black that is? So I just did that, and I'm gonna take the brush to just smudge this out. I'm telling you guys, this is like the perfect smudging eyeliner ever. I'm gonna go ahead and take Starless Eyes to smoke that out. Also can do what I did and not go to sleep till 6:30 a.m. this morning and sleep for 2 hours, and you can have that same look as well. So that's really helping me in my favor today. Also just connecting that like to this edge over here. And I'm gonna go in with Pitchfork Red, which was the original red that we used, to just kind of go over that as well. Also gonna take the black in the palette to kind of go over the eyeliner. That is pretty much it. Let me go put on some lashes, and I'll do my lips, and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. On my lips I have the Huda Beauty Anniversary lipstick. I just wanted to do something like nice and nude. Anyways, so this is the finished look. I love how this came out. I love red eyeshadow. Gerard Way was the blueprint for red eyeshadow, and I've been standing since. Yeah, so I mean, obviously this isn't too much of a review. I love it. This is like the best thing ever, and I'm so excited about it. Can't wait to like keep it on display. I already had it on display back there before I started filming, and I just love it so much. I think performed super well, and I'm super impressed with it. I've only ever tried Hipdot one other time, and that was with Kesha's palette, and I love that palette. That palette was so good, and I feel like it was super underrated, but this one is divine. It was great. I love it so much, and I love this look. I'm feeling very myself right now. It was truly everything I could possibly ask for when it came to like an eyeshadow palette based around MCR. So hope that they restock this, and if they do, I hope it goes a lot smoother than this past launch. But anyways, if I find out any like restock dates and stuff, I'll definitely put it in the description box down below, and I will also update you guys on my Instagram stories. When it does restock, I will like probably instantly post it on my stories, so make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram. I always like post restocks and everything of launches and stuff. So yeah, anyways, I hope that you guys like this video. Leave me a comment down below what your favorite MCR song is. I have too many to even like count. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.